2024 Paper 2 Question 14. The average mass of 3 tins of canned food shown is 420 gram. Average 420 gram, 3 tins. The mass of each tin is a 3-digit number. The labels on 2 of the tins are partly torn. Find the total mass of the tin of sardine and the tin of beans. We have to find the sum of these two. Part A, first step, let's find the total mass of 3 tins. Okay, take 3 times the average. That will give us 1260 gram. Now, total mass of sardine and bean equals to total minus away corn, which is 430 gram. That will give us 830 gram. Okay, this is our answer for part A, 830 gram. Now part B, we want to find the largest possible difference. Difference means taking one number minus the other. And when you want the largest possible difference, it means that the first number must be your biggest possible number. Second number is your smallest possible number. Okay, now do we know which tin is heavier? Is it sardine or is it bean? No, we don't know. Alright, so there are 2 scenarios that we need to check out first. Let's assume sardine is heavier. Okay, now we have sardine. We know that sardine starts with a 4. We don't know the 2 other digits. Beans, we don't know the first 2 digits, but we know the last digit. But we know that both add up to 830. Okay, now let's solve the puzzle here. For the last digit of bean is a 9. From 9 to get to a 0, the only number that can fit in is 1. But we want the biggest sardine weight. So the biggest sardine number here has to be a 9. So 491 for sardine. Okay, so let's work out the beans weight. 1 plus 9, 10, carry up 1. 9 plus 1, 10. To get to 3, we add 3 here, becomes 13. 4 plus 1, 5. You need a 3 here to get to 8. Alright, now what is the difference between sardine and beans? 491 minus 339. That will give us 152. Okay, now let's work out our second scenario. Let's assume bean is heavier. Okay, so let's put bean on top, doesn't matter. We know bean something 9, sardine 4 something, and it adds up to 830 total. Okay, now for 9 plus something to get to 0, there's only 1 here. Alright, and it carry up a 1. Now we know that we want sardine, the second number, to be the smallest possible, which means that this has to be 0. Okay, now 1 plus something plus 0 to give you 3, this has to be a 2. And then this row has to be a 4. Okay. Now, what is the difference between beans and sardine? 429 minus 401, that will give us 28. So comparing the two, we have 152, we have 28. Which one is bigger? 152. Okay, so 152 is correct, 28 is wrong. So what is our answer? Find the largest possible difference. The largest possible difference is 152 grams.